Gabriel Brown here. I had a previous client come into the office and he was a little upset because he was applying for some auto loans and he was being declined. When he left our program, he had about a 740 credit score and he was pretty sure that he would be able to get approved for a new car. I mean, he had the time on the job, it was good. He had the income that was good. He didn't have any challenges with debt to income, credit usage, or credit capacity. He didn't have any challenges with having a past experience with an auto loan that would not qualify him for the new auto loan. So in talking with him, I said, well, the 3 credit reports, that's something that most banks and lending institutions and auto dealers use, but they also have been consulting some additional information, which I call consumer files. And I said, of course, they look at the credit report, and then these consumer files are data that they buy from private companies that have a little bit more detailed information about you. I said, I suspect it's one of your consumer files that's preventing you from buying a car. So I enrolled this client in my Wealth Score system, and after collecting some of the Wealth Score consumer files, I noticed on one specific file, he had a lot of inaccurate information and out-of-date information as well. So we disputed to get that information corrected, updated, and some of it deleted. And then he went back to the dealership. By the way, it was a Lexus dealership. And he went back to the dealership and he got approved. Okay? So I want to let you know that you can have great credit, but have some consumer files that have inaccurate information about you, and that would prevent you from being approved. Okay? So if you want to schedule a consultation with me, there's a link here below where you can actually have a free consultation and we can talk about if you're having challenges getting approved because of consumer files and how we can help you.